Manufacturing Maestros has celebrated entrepreneurs and manufacturing leaders who continue to strengthen India's manufacturing ecosystem. The Bengaluru edition showcased the true spirit of Manufacturing Maestros, bringing together 200 plus industry leaders, thought-provoking discussions, and recognizing of 9 manufacturing masters. As a new partner, Oerlikon was proud to be part of growing movement. At Oerlikon, we are committed to enable manufacturers through advanced surface solutions and technologies that improve performance, efficiency, and sustainability. Supporting Manufacturing Masters is a natural extension of that commitment, and we are proud to nominate leaders whose work continues to strengthen Indian manufacturing. Pune has been one of India's leading manufacturing hubs. We warmly invite you all to join us on 6th August for Manufacturing Maestros Pune.